Understanding Aged Compost, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, aged compost. This is a term you might come across in gardening, agriculture, or environmental topics. Let's break it down and understand what it really means. Stay tuned to learn something new. Aged compost is a type of organic material used in gardening and farming. It's created from decomposed organic matter, like leaves, vegetable scraps, and other plant-based materials. The key here is decomposition, a natural process where microorganisms break down organic matter. This process takes time, and when it's complete, we get what's known as aged compost. Aged compost is important for several reasons. Firstly, it's a natural fertilizer. It enriches the soil with nutrients, which helps plants grow. Secondly, it improves soil structure, making it better at retaining water and supporting plant roots. Lastly, using aged compost is a form of recycling, turning waste into a valuable resource, which is great for the environment. Making aged compost involves a few steps. 1. Collecting organic waste. This includes leaves, vegetable scraps, and garden waste. 2. Composting. The collected waste is piled up and left to decompose. This can take anywhere from a few months to a year. 3. Maturation. After decomposition, the compost is allowed to mature, developing a fine texture and becoming suitable for use in gardens. When using aged compost in gardening, it's typically mixed into the soil or used as a top dressing for plants. It's known for improving soil health and helping plants grow better. Remember, a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use too much. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what aged compost is and why it's so beneficial in gardening and agriculture. Remember, it's not just about growing plants, it's about nurturing the environment too. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!